Myself introducing Malati. Today I would like to speak about successful people don't do great things but do small things in a great way. Okay, let's know about successful people. Before knowing that, what are the qualities of the successful people and what are the differences between unsuccessful people and the successful people? So here are some qualities of differences between successful people and unsuccessful people. So successful people will read every day, compliment, embrace and listen everything. They like to learn something new every day. Coming to the unsuccessful people, they watch TV, the laziness and talk about people, etc. They criticize people, etc. are the qualities of unsuccessful people.
Good morning to one and all. This is Yashashri. Today's topic is successful people do small things in a great way. There is an inspirational story. In the first picture, the trees and fields have been washed away due to floods. A 16-year-old boy was very sad to see this dull nature. So he thought that this area should be redeveloped. In the second picture, he is traveling few kilometers every day to travel some trees. He is doing such a great deed without anyone's help, and he is doing this as his daily routine. In the third picture, he made such a big forest within the time of 9 years. Later, he was awarded with Padma Shri.
Hello everyone, myself Rahila. Today I am going to talk about the topic generation gap. So what is generation gap? Do you know what is generation gap? Of course, everybody knows what is generation gap. Today I am going to talk a little more about the generation gap. The generation gap is nothing but difference from one generation to another. Their ideas, thoughts, beliefs and values. Nowadays, it is called as the gap between parent to the children, grandparent to the grandchildren. So why this happen? What is the reasons? This happens because parents and children do not treat each other according to their age. Children should know that their parents are more experienced than themselves.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Harshini. Today's my topic is about how successful people don't do great things. They do small things in a great way with creativity and attitude. Getting success is not a good thing, but getting success with creativity and attitude is a main point. Now today I am going to take example of APJ Abdul Kalam sir, how he got success in his life. First of all, he has to be prepared in what way he has to get success, and second thing, taking failures in your straight. Failures is common in everyone. You have to take it and accept it, and you have to follow the rules and regulations and everything. Think and act different. You have to think and act different. It means that leads to creativity. Creativity leads to knowledge. And one more point, you need to have a vision in what and such things in which thing you are going to be success. First of all, you have to create an objectives to get a success in your life. Okay, everybody tell with me. I have a great aim. I will continuously acquire the knowledge. I will get success.
Creativity. Creativity is not just about art or music. Creativity is a way we think and solve the problems and approach the challenges in life. It is a skills that when a nurtured can perform, open the endless doors for the possibilities. It's just to use those ideas to come up with something meaningful. Okay, let's consider this. Every innovation we see today and every new technique we use today and every problem we solve in the complex numbers, it started as something creativity in someone else's mind. Creativity is a spark that drives progress and innovation in every field.
We can also use creativity in our daily lives. Whether it's planning a project or organizing our days or problem solving techniques, it all comes under the creativity. That creativity is not only something that is just based to the artists or inventors. We all should think creatively. Remember, the world needs creativity. Who knows, maybe your creative idea can change the world. Just don't be afraid to embrace curiosity, take risk and explore something new. Make something new from out of some normal things. Don't think just normally, no we can't do it. No, we can do it. Everybody has creativity in them. We should embrace the creativity, take risks, and maybe our one idea can take the world so.
Media, which is very useful to share the information, make connections. On a personal level, it is also access to allow the connection between the friends and families. It improves the new thoughts and new ideas and also be an entertainment. The social media, it was introduced by the Andrew with the 6 degrees in 1997. The social media, which is defined also, it is a forms of electronic communication. The largest platform of social medias are Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, and YouTube, etc.
Everyone, myself Pusha, and today my topic is attitude and negative attitude. Positive attitude can be defined as it is the state which you approach unpleasantness in a productive way. You think of only the best things but not the worst things.
If you love you are doing something, you will be successful. Failure is not important. If you want to, simply we can say that failure is opportunity to begin again. They are not secrets to success, key to knowledge.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ టాపిక్ అవసరమా అని మీలో చాలా మంది అనుకుంటూ ఉండొచ్చు, కానీ ఇది ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడుకోవడం చాలా అవసరం. ఎందుకంటే ఒక స్త్రీని భరత మాతగానో తల్లిగానో ఒక చెల్లిగానో గౌరవించేటువంటి పవిత్ర దేశం మన భారతదేశం.
వాళ్ళ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేశారు, లైక్ క్లాత్స్, ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ఎక్సెట్రా, సమ్ మోర్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్. తర్వాత అలా అప్గ్రేడ్ అవుతా ఉంది. చాలామంది ఇన్వెస్టర్స్ కూడా వాళ్ళని నమ్మి వాళ్ళ దానిలో కొంచెం ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేశారు. అలా బయట ఇన్వెస్టర్స్ కూడా వాళ్ళ దానిలో షేర్స్ అవన్నీ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసి ఇంకా వాళ్ళ కంపెనీ బాగా గ్రో అవుతుంది.
Zenex Vision Group of Educational Institutions, 4th Lane, Haranathapuram, Nelluru.